Hi everyone, welcome to this new video on why you should be using Google My Business to get free leads. Now what you will learn today, you will learn how to get your business found on Google listing using Google My Business, and what's so special about Google My Business, which is GMB. How to social proof your business using GMB. All new businesses, especially startup, need to get on GMB, and it is a free service provided by Google to let your business or your website list on the search engine fast. So leverage on this thing and you will see your website being listed faster through using of GMB. The setup is basically very simple. You just need to get yourself verified and claim your business name. Now this is an important step whereby if your business name is already been claimed by somebody else, you can actually file with Google and get back your business name so that your business is selling what it claims to be. Now GMB or Google My Business allows business owners to expose their business and services to potential clients when they do a search on Google. Now I have a friend that is doing plumbing service, and after using the Google My Business service, he's able to see that there is an increase in the amount of calls that's calling him. And once you get the business listed onto Google, you can be sure that your customer is searching you through keywords, and by optimizing the right keywords through use of Google listing and post, you can get yourself listed on the particular keywords that your customer is looking for you. And the best part is GMB is very localized. Now imagine that certain businesses that they are not on Google but they are essential services, and if they find this particular keyword and saw your website, they will more likely to look for your service than to look for recommendation or referral from other sites. It is also a free listing and free service whereby you do not need to pay for organic search traffic or traffic that is being generated organically through a user search. Organic search have higher chance for you to acquire a customer because the customer is looking for your service or product. You can also use Google Maps to pin down your business location so that potential customer can find your shop or your services. If you have a physical shop or if you're a restaurant, you can do so by pinning your service and letting people know where and how to get to your restaurant. And at the same time, you can ask customer to give you feedbacks in terms of customer reviews, and this will be shown on your Google listing for social proof. So when the customer search for a particular food, a particular service, and they find your business name and there's an attached review, they will read all this review before they decide or consider your service. So this is one good way to get social proof. So in summary, the one sure way to get new customer is through Google My Business. I will leave the link below this video to click on directly to link you to set up a Google My Business. And setting up a Google My Business listing is very easy, and it just involves you verifying your business, your address. And the best part is you can update your business hour and stay in touch with your customer. Also let customer find your business and how to get to you. Now GMB actually provide a one-page website. If you do not have a website, a one-page website allows you to list your business, your operating hours, the location of business, and it's an easy way for you to get social proof before you get on to Facebook to create a page or to create a group. And through Google reviews, people could actually see the real people using your service or buying the products or eating at your restaurants. And you can also directly link it to your social profile or your website, and this is one way to capture new customers. So I hope that this video is useful to you. Do like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.